Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the concept of relaxation resonance in today's living spaces by showing you a collection of different wooden items you could consider using. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The concept of relaxation resonance in today's living spaces, particularly through the integration of wooden crafts, reflects a holistic approach to creating environments that foster tranquility, comfort, and connection to nature. As modern life becomes increasingly fast-paced and stressful, the desire for serene living spaces has grown, prompting individuals to seek out design elements that not only serve functional purposes but also promote well-being. Wooden crafts, with their natural aesthetics and tactile qualities, play a significant role in achieving this atmosphere of relaxation and harmony within the home. Wood, as a material, inherently embodies warmth and organic beauty. Its presence in living spaces can evoke a sense of calm, reminiscent of nature and the outdoors. The natural grain patterns, textures, and colors of wood create visual interest and depth that can soften the starkness often found in contemporary design. By incorporating handcrafted wooden elements into living spaces, individuals can cultivate an environment that feels both welcoming and nurturing. This connection to nature is essential in promoting relaxation. Studies have shown that natural materials can have a positive impact on mental health, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. When considering wooden crafts for relaxation resonance, one of the primary focuses is on creating spaces that encourage mindfulness and tranquility. This can be achieved through the design of functional and aesthetically pleasing items that invite individuals to slow down and appreciate their surroundings. For instance, a handcrafted wooden rocking chair placed in a cozy corner can serve as a perfect spot for reading, meditating, or simply enjoying a moment of quiet reflection. The gentle motion of rocking, combined with the warmth of the wood, promotes relaxation and comfort, making it an ideal addition to any living space. Another way to enhance relaxation through wooden crafts is by incorporating elements that foster connection and community. Dining tables, for example, can be crafted from solid wood, providing a warm and inviting surface for gatherings with family and friends. The act of sharing a meal around a beautifully crafted table encourages conversation and connection, reinforcing the importance of relationships in promoting relaxation and well-being. A handmade wooden dining table, with its unique character and craftsmanship, becomes a focal point within the home, embodying memories and moments of togetherness. In addition to furniture, wooden crafts can also be utilized to create calming accents and decor that enhance the overall ambience of a space. Wooden wall art, such as carved panels or intricate designs, can bring a sense of tranquility and beauty to walls, transforming a blank canvas into a source of inspiration and reflection. The choice of colors and finishes can further influence the mood of the space. Lighter woods can create an airy, open feeling, while darker finishes can add warmth and coziness. Incorporating natural wood elements into decor allows individuals to tailor their environments to evoke feelings of peace and serenity. A key aspect of relaxation resonance is the idea of simplicity and minimalism in design. In a world often filled with excess and distraction, creating a serene living space involves stripping away the clutter and focusing on the essentials. Wooden crafts can play a vital role in this process by providing beautifully designed storage solutions that help maintain an organized and tidy environment. For example, handcrafted wooden shelves can be used to display cherished items while keeping spaces uncluttered. These shelves can be designed with clean lines and functional forms, allowing for a balance between style and practicality. By promoting organization through thoughtfully crafted wooden pieces, individuals can create a living space that feels calm and inviting. Moreover, the use of wooden crafts in creating outdoor spaces can significantly enhance relaxation resonance. Patios, gardens, and balconies can benefit from the addition of wooden furniture, such as benches, tables, and planters. These elements not only create functional outdoor living areas, but also encourage individuals to connect with nature, further promoting relaxation. The sounds of nature, combined with the tactile experience of wood, create an immersive environment that allows for a deeper sense of peace and tranquility. Whether it's a wooden swing set for children or a rustic garden bench for quiet contemplation, these projects enhance the overall experience of outdoor spaces, fostering a sense of harmony with the natural world. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The integration of wooden crafts into living spaces also encourages a focus on sustainability and mindful consumption. As awareness of environmental issues continues to grow, individuals are increasingly seeking ways to incorporate sustainable practices into their homes. Wooden crafts made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials align perfectly with this ethos, allowing individuals to create beautiful spaces while minimizing their ecological footprint. By choosing to invest in handcrafted wooden items, individuals not only support local artisans but also promote a lifestyle that values quality over quantity. This commitment to sustainability contributes to a sense of purpose and fulfillment, enhancing the overall relaxation resonance within the home. When exploring wooden crafts for relaxation resonance, the importance of personal expression and creativity cannot be overlooked. Engaging in crafting activities, whether it's building furniture or creating decorative accents, can serve as a therapeutic outlet for individuals. The act of working with one's hands to create something meaningful fosters a sense of achievement and satisfaction, which can significantly contribute to overall well-being. Moreover, incorporating personal touches into wooden crafts allows individuals to infuse their living spaces with their unique style and personality, further enhancing the sense of comfort and belonging. As people strive to cultivate relaxation resonance in their homes, the role of wooden crafts becomes increasingly significant. These crafts not only provide functional solutions, but also create environments that promote well-being and mental clarity. By carefully considering the design and placement of wooden elements, individuals can transform their living spaces into sanctuaries of peace and tranquility. The combination of natural materials, thoughtful craftsmanship, and personal expression creates a harmonious atmosphere that resonates with the mind, body, and spirit. In addition to the physical aspects of wooden crafts, the emotional connection to the objects within a living space is crucial in fostering relaxation resonance. Items that hold sentimental value or remind individuals of cherished memories can significantly enhance the overall ambience of a home. For instance, a wooden photo frame displaying a beloved family portrait or a handcrafted toy box filled with childhood memories serves as a constant reminder of the joy and love that permeates the space. This emotional resonance contributes to a sense of grounding and stability, creating a sanctuary where individuals can retreat from the chaos of the outside world. Furthermore, the process of selecting and arranging wooden crafts in living spaces can itself be a mindful practice. Taking the time to curate a collection of meaningful items encourages individuals to reflect on their values and priorities. This intentional approach to home decor fosters a deeper connection to the space, allowing individuals to create an environment that truly reflects who they are. Each piece, whether it's a handmade wooden bowl or a carved sculpture, tells a story and contributes to the overall narrative of the home, reinforcing the idea that living spaces are an extension of oneself. As the desire for relaxation and well-being continues to shape modern living, the integration of wooden crafts offers a multitude of possibilities. From functional furniture to decorative accents, these crafts provide a means of creating environments that are not only beautiful but also supportive of mental and emotional health. The tactile nature of wood, combined with its aesthetic qualities, allows for the creation of spaces that invite individuals to slow down, reflect, and connect with their surroundings. The concept of relaxation resonance through wooden crafts in today's living spaces emphasizes the importance of creating environments that promote tranquility, connection, and well-being. By thoughtfully incorporating wooden elements, individuals can cultivate spaces that reflect their values and foster a sense of peace. The warmth and beauty of wood, combined with personal expression and creativity, create living areas that resonate with comfort and harmony. As people continue to seek solace in their homes, the integration of wooden crafts will remain a vital aspect of designing spaces that nurture the mind, body, and spirit. This journey of exploration and creativity not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of living spaces, but also contributes to a more fulfilling and relaxed way of life, allowing individuals to thrive in their environments and enjoy the beauty of the world around them. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing.